In this quick 3-minute tutorial, we'll be covering how to customize email reminders for signature requests so you can streamline your workflow and ensure your documents get signed on time. If you're looking for an easy way to make your email reminders stand out and increase response rates, you're in the right place. Let's dive into how to customize those email reminders. First, open the software we'll be using today. Most signature request software will have a section for customizing reminders. You want to go straight to the Settings or Notifications section, where you'll find options related to reminder emails. Here, you can adjust the timing of your reminders. For example, you can set a reminder to be sent out immediately after a request, or perhaps a day or two later if you want to give the signer more time. Customizing the frequency of reminders is essential to ensure you're not too pushy, but also not letting important documents slip through the cracks. A good rule of thumb is to send reminders on a set schedule, maybe after 24 hours, 3 days, and a final reminder right before the deadline. Now, let's talk about customizing the message itself. You don't just want a generic reminder, make it personal. Most platforms will allow you to edit the subject line and body text. You should include details like the document's name, the signer's name, and the specific deadline. This will make the reminder feel more relevant and less like a mass email. Keep it polite but firm. Let them know their signature is important and that you're there if they need help. In the body of the reminder, you can also add a call to action. Encourage the signer to take action right away, such as click here to sign now or please review and sign by date. This can help push them to complete the task and avoid delays. Another feature to check out is the ability to customize the sender name and email address. If the default system-generated email address looks too generic, change it to something more familiar and trustworthy. This can help recipients trust the message more and increase the likelihood they'll open and engage with it. Lastly, don't forget about testing your reminder email before sending it out. Test it with a sample recipient to ensure everything looks good and the links work properly. You want to make sure it looks professional and that nothing gets missed. One key takeaway here: customizing email reminders for signature requests not only improves the likelihood that documents get signed, but it also ensures your communication is clear, concise, and professional. Personalizing reminders makes a big difference in response rates and can help you stay on top of your tasks without hassle. To quickly recap, the main steps are setting the timing and frequency for your reminders, personalizing the content of your email, including a clear call to action, customizing the sender details, and testing your reminders before going live. And before we finish, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of our software, linked in the description below, and follow along with the tutorial yourself. If you're looking to streamline your signature request process, this free trial is for viewers of my, Dan Thorne's, channel only. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.